Hey, this is Sam Backer on behalf of myself and my partner Rohit Shah. Welcome to Recastly. This software is your solution for actually making money with video using simple, proven methods that outperform all of the flashy gimmicks. Top publishers are getting billions of views with these exact methods while increasing engagement and sales. Use the software and you too can get more free traffic, clicks and profits. Recastly includes powerful benefits. Add subtitles and voiceovers in multiple languages to any video to reach larger audiences while increasing views and engagement. But you should know the technology allows for much higher profits. To take full advantage, you'll want to be able to do three things. Number one, make higher earnings per sale. Number two, drive even more traffic. And number three, crush your competition and scale your top campaigns fast, which is why we've spent months creating Recastly Pro. So users serious about results can leverage the technology for the highest possible profits. Recastly works great on short videos for branding, basic list building, and promoting entry-level products. Now imagine what happens when you use it on full-length videos like webinars and recorded streams. There's no better way to consistently sell mid to high ticket products than with webinars or live streaming videos. That's why elite marketers invest so much time, effort and money into these channels. Because unlike a $7 product, a $297 product or a $997 product takes more playing time to sell. So picture this, you have your own high-end product and webinar, or you find a premium affiliate product that converts like crazy on a webinar someone else has created. When you add subtitles and voiceovers to webinar videos in any language, instead of making $7 commissions, you're now making hundreds per sale, and you can expand your reach to targeted global and even mobile buyers. As a pro member, you can use Recastly on videos of any length. There are no limits. Leverage the best webinars and streaming broadcasts to reach multiple audiences and make bigger ticket sales. Higher profits per sale are great, but so is traffic. And this is where this Pro Features package gets really good. You can now subtitle longer videos and you give the search engines more content that they really love. Plus you can target more long-tail buyer keywords, the kinds other marketers aren't even aware of. The results? Higher rankings, more targeted free traffic, and more commissions coming your way. Next, consider your competition. There are all kinds of video marketers out there competing for your prospects and customers, so your videos have to stand out. As a Recastly Pro member, the competition will be chasing you because your videos will consistently generate maximum attention, clicks, and conversions. How? With our complete library of stunning subtitle templates, including 3D templates that make scrollers stop in their tracks and pay attention. We've tested every one of these across multiple platforms and they consistently drive more traffic and views as well as clicks to all of our videos. As a pro member, you get 15 subtitle templates instantly, then 5 more each month after that. So your videos will continue to grab traffic that click on your offers. With Recastly, you'll soon have multiple campaigns in place. To grow profits, you'll want to be able to quickly scale the winners and optimize others. That's why our dedicated, powerful cloud servers for pro members are going to come in handy. We'll host every one of your video campaigns for you, so you'll be able to instantly access them inside of your dashboard. Now when you have a winning campaign, you'll quickly be able to scale your profits. Just grab the video from your dashboard and re-render it in different languages. Then unleash your top performers on even wider audiences for greater sales. There's much more waiting for you inside as a pro member, including the ability to download your videos at maximum resolution so your campaigns continue to outperform the competition, and powerful branding methods so you build even more trust and authority. Check out all of the details down below, then secure your upgrade now because on this page only, we're offering Pro Access at a substantial discount for new customers. You're completely covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. The only risk that you take is by not acting now and missing out on all of the benefits of Recastly Pro. More traffic, higher conversions, and make more per sale. Scale fast. All of that and much more is easily yours when you secure your license to Pro Features right now. Here's your chance to exploit brand new video conversion technology for higher profits both today and in the future. So review the info down below, then lock in your access. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.